This recipe is going to be super simple, easy to follow, and you'll end up making a perfectly moist and zesty lemon loaf like this one right here. Alright, let's start with the prep. First, preheat your oven at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit and grease and line an 8.5 by 4.5 inch loaf pan with butter paper. Now, let's prepare our ingredients. Grate some fresh lemon zest and set it aside. This is where all the flavor comes from. Sift together all-purpose flour, cornstarch, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix it well and then keep it aside. Take some warm milk, add fresh lemon juice, and let it sit until it curdles just like this. This will help make the cake extra soft and moist. Now take a mixing bowl, add softened butter, oil, granulated sugar, and that fresh lemon zest. Beat it for about 2 minutes using a hand or stand mixer until it's creamy like this. Now add 3 large eggs, one at a time, and make sure they're at room temperature. Now add half of the curdled milk, gently fold in with a spatula, then add half of the dry mixture. Repeat with the remaining milk and dry mixture, folding it until it's just combined. Don't overmix it though, otherwise you're not going to get a tender crumb. Transfer the batter into a loaf pan, smooth the top, and bake for about 1 hour until it's golden and cooked through. Once it's baked, let the cake rest and cool down for about 15 minutes. In the meantime, quickly press the subscribe button on our channel and start preparing the lemon syrup. In a saucepan, combine granulated sugar and lemon juice and keep stirring it on low heat until the sugar completely dissolves. Brush this syrup all over the warm cake, covering the sides as well. This keeps the cake moist and enhances the lemony flavor. Now for the finishing touch, the glaze. Mix icing sugar with fresh lemon juice until you get a thick glaze consistency like this. Once the cake has cooled completely, drizzle the glaze on top. Oh my god, this looks so good. And yeah, there it is. Your lemon loaf is fully done. Wasn't that so easy? Watch this video next. It's even easier.